Alright, what up ninjas? USMC Vet here. So I was paying $25 per blade for the chainsaw, for the small one, for the little bitty one. And then I came across these on Amazon, and of course had gift cards, so got these. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to tell you, got 15 bucks, $15.99 when I bought them. I don't know if that's what they still are, but they had a limit of 5 you could buy at a time. So I'm gonna go see if I can buy another 5 at 15 bucks, because you get the bar and the chain, or you could get the chain for $22, which is the same exact chain. So anyways, just thought I would share that with you. I just got these in, super excited, because if you cut wood, you know, it's a pain in the ass when the bar or the chain goes bad, and you don't have one to change it out with. So anyways, that's your quick Christmas tip. If you have this, I'll try to provide a link when this uploads this afternoon. I'll go in there and put a link to it. Anyways, thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, most complaints. Put your comments down below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed, and Merry motherfucking Christmas. Peace.